A friend sent me an American Standard LED panel light and asked us to help add the emergency function. Sure thing, I'll get on it right away. We're using the Phenix Lighting UL certified 1A49013 LED emergency driver. We open the LED driver junction box and use tools to pry open the 4 wire entry holes A, B, C, and D on the side in advance. In positions A, B, C, we install 3/8 metal hose connectors, and for the unused hole D, we install an M20 chuck plug. The wires and metal hoses from the input end of the emergency driver are inserted into hole A and tightened, while the wires and metal hoses from the output end are inserted into hole C and tightened. The yellow wire and yellow or black wire are then threaded out from hole D. Finally, we disconnect the connection between LED driver and the panel. Following are the crucial wiring steps. Remember to like and bookmark and review if necessary. Firstly, we connect the LED driver output to the emergency driver. Step 1. Connect the positive output of the LED driver to the red or black wires of the emergency driver. Step 2. Connect the negative output of the LED driver to the blue or black wires of the emergency driver. Next, we connect the LED module to the emergency driver. Step 3. Connect the positive of the LED module to the red wires of the emergency driver. Step 4. Connect the negative of the LED module to the blue wires of the emergency driver. Now, insert the power cable and wall switch wires into hole B. Step 5. Connect the N neutral wire of the LED driver to the white wire of the emergency driver and together connect to the neutral line of the mains, common. Step 6. Connect the L live wire of the LED driver to one black wire of the emergency driver. Step 7. Connect the ground G and D wire of the LED driver to the green, yellow wire of the emergency driver and together connect to the ground line of the mains, G and D. Step 8. Connect the other black wire of the emergency driver to one live wire of the wall switch and keep the switch in the OFF state. Step 9. Connect the black, orange wire of the emergency driver to the other live wire of the wall switch and together connect to the live hot line of the mains. Arrange the wires inside the junction box. Tighten the metal hose connectors in hole B and secure the power cable and wall switch wires. Finally, connect the LED test switch LTS. Step 10. Secure the LTS on the panel. Then connect the yellow wire of the LTS to the yellow wire of the emergency driver. Step 11. Connect the yellow or black wire of the LTS to the yellow or black wire of the emergency driver. Lastly, lock the LED driver's junction box. That completes the wiring. If you have any other lighting fixtures that need an emergency driver, reach out in the comments. I am Shirley. Follow me to take emergency easy.